So you have the armrest tray from YUHFERA, and in this video I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your purchase, how to get it assembled, and a quick demo of it in action so you know exactly what to expect. But there's only 3 pieces to it. There's like 2 steps to put it together. It could not be easier. All you have to do is take your arm, set it on there, and they give you the bolts and the Allen wrench to get this secured. So I'm going to get this thing set up and show you then how it works in action. Just like that, this thing is assembled. This took me, honestly, probably a minute or two. Super easy to do. Just put in 8 screws and you're good to go. And this is the bottom of it. What I like is they put furniture pads on there for you. So I got wood floors, so having that on there is super nice. I'm not scratching my floors when I move this around, but I'm gonna get this set up by my chair, kind of see how it works. Okay, so now that we got it assembled, we can get this installed on whatever chair or sofa you're gonna use, and they make it really easy. So on the back side here, there's gonna be a little knob, and that'll be to loosen this up. So once you get it loosened, you can get it to whatever height you need. Once you find that height, we'll just tighten it, and we're good to go. So we can slide it underneath the chair. It's all set up and ready to use. So overall, this is super easy to assemble, like I showed you, easy to install. And what I like about it is that customizable height. So I actually had a TV tray in the past, and this one is replacing it, that was just too short. Kept getting stuck on the chair here. So this one is nice where it's customizable in the height. Get the perfect height on it, ready to roll. I'm super happy with it. 2 thumbs up.